Yes, with our new video of writing skill is English grammar topic. The writing skill topic is story writing. Previously, we have seen chapter number 16 of grammar, subject and verb agreement. Yes, I hope you all have understood it very nicely that what is subject and verb agreement and what is the meaning of agreement, students. Agreement means to do the legal work, to do something legally we are doing, combining each other's views, thinking and all, that is called the agreement. And the actual means हमारे खुद की मंजूरी जो होती है, that we do in that agreement. We agree in the proper way. Yes, and what a subject is, you all know that how do we use the subject. We have given the examples where to use is, was, have, where. This all the things come in singular. There is a singular verb, plural verb, singular subject. Yes, and students keep this thing in mind that every sentence has the subject and verb in its sentence, its own sentence. Yes, so in verb also there are helping verbs, main verbs. You all know, we have learned previously in 11th chapter. Also main and the auxiliaries, verb, what are they, you also know. So today let's continue with our new topic of writing skills, story. Yeah, you have learned that what is story in previously grade 4. So, but in this year in grade 5th, we will learn something unique in something detailed. That what is story, how to write a story. What is a story writing? You can write a short story also. But what is the actual meaning of a story? As we can give examples. If I am telling to anyone that what is story, I am telling, yeah, story is that some lines are given and we have to make a story in, but which form you have to make? Do you know that, students? In which tense you have to make? Yes, there is, as we are having 3 type of tenses, past, future and present. Like that, there is a tense which is given in the story, in which tense we have to write the story writing. Yes, what should we write, what dialogue, if what things we should add in the story that makes attractive or makes interesting to listen or to read it. Yes, so let's know firstly the definition of story. Yes, so let's see. Students, let's know something, the definition of story. Yes, it is the definition of story. As we have the definition in the grammar, like that only there is a definition of a story. What to write, how to write, that we will know. Actually, this is the video of introduction of a story writing. We will know in detail that how to write the story. Yes, so first let us know about the definition of it. Story means narrating real or imaginary event or incident is known as story. Yes, so real or imaginary. Real, yes, the story can be real. वो सच्ची कहानी भी हो सकती है. It can be based on the true story or it can be the imaginary but not real. We are only thinking of it. Imagine ही कर सकते हैं, हम सोच ही सकते हैं उसको. We can think only. We can't plot it on a real things. हम उसको real thing में नहीं ला सकते. That is imaginary. Imaginary means to think something about it, that it can be. ऐसा हो सकता है, just imagine ऐसा होता तो. We are imagining, that is, we are thinking of it. Yes, it can't be real. Yes, so that type of incidents we are adding in the story writing. Yes, we add something new in the story. Yes, it can be narrated. In the story writing is also having the morals and all the many things. There are some elements given. There are some points which are given in the story. We will see that how it does be helpful in writing our story, and we will do some examples after this also. Some points of story writing, that how it should be performed, how it should be given in the story, how should it be attractive to write it, that it makes interesting and attractive. So let's know it. An interesting title and opening. An interesting title and the opening. Yes, in the story there is a main thing that we should have an interesting title. The heading should be very interesting and the opening, as we are starting a story, it it should be very interesting. Yes, we can write once upon a time, a little, a long ago. There type of these things we can use in it. Yes, we all use these things in the story writings. Yes. So yes, the first point, an interesting title should be there and the opening should be nice. Some characters that make the story interesting. Yeah, in the next important point in story writing, that it can be written in the story writing should have the characters. In the story, there should be some characters that make the story very more interesting and very more attractive to learn or to read it or to listen the story also. If we are anytime we are reading that story, it makes more interesting. Yes, or more attractive to learn it, to read it. A good thoughts thinking can be used in it. Yes, you can use some thoughts, some quotes should be used in the thinking, your own thinking you can write in the story. You can write some thoughts or some well said quotes, you can write it, yes, in the story. That makes more attractive, more while saying story, while reading the story, it makes listen goods, sound goods in the story. Yes. Then the fourth point, a well ending should be there where everything is explained. So the content should be, the language of story writing should be so much of easy one way, it should be the easy also, and a very easy language should be there in the story writing that can make more interesting for each and every person. It will be helpful for all the students who are not able to read the hard words or hard spellings. So to make it in an easy language, it should be in the easy language, the story, and make it more interesting. And the well ending should be there. The ending should be like that, means the conclusion of the story should be like that it gives us some moral, a well thought. By that we can understood or where there everything could be explained. In that conclusion only, वो conclusion में ऐसा कुछ हमें लिखना है, we have to write that like that only, that it explain the whole story, that what is the story actual about. Yes, what is the story actual about, it can explain it. The conclusion should be like that. Yes, so we will know some other things also about the story writing. So let's see about the story, how to write and where to, how to make it more attractive. Let's see. We can write the story in the first person or the third person. We can write the story in the first person also or the third person. Means story can be written for the real story. First person means the real story, means our story. We can write the story of our own also, first person means. Then all the third person means about anyone else, about the other persons we are writing. That is the imaginary called story. Imaginary story about anyone else we are writing the story, means the third person. Yes. So understood that we can write the story of in the first person. First person means that we are writing the real story of our own. Some real stories based given, true stories given. We are writing that. Next, the third person means the imaginary, the other person. We are writing about the story. Yes. The second point, writing the main point, important point it is, writing the story in the first person means we use pronoun I. What we use? Pronoun I. And telling the story as if it happened to us. So as I told you, first person means we use the pronoun I in it. I am going, I was going here, so I met that person, I have met that person, I will met that person, like that. So while using writing the story in the first person, as it is of a true story base, we are writing our own real story. So at that time we will use the pronoun I in it. We will use in the story pronoun I in it, and it tells about that the story is written as if it happened to us only. As the story is based on us only, like that it pronouns or it sounds like that. Now the third, the most important point again, writing the story in the third person means using the pronouns as he, she, it. So they are telling the story about other people. So in the third point, what they are telling, as I have told you that the third person means writing the story, third person as if we are writing the story about anyone else, the other person, third person. It's not based on us. So at that time, which pronouns we should use in the story? So let's see, he, she and it. So which pronouns? He, she and it. So these are the pronouns while we use writing the story in the third person. That when we are writing the story of about the other person or the other related person, other story we are writing. It's not on the third person, means the other person, the imaginary story we are writing. We are imagining that it could be this, it could be that. Yes, like that. 2 points we will understand in short. So what it is, the main two most important points. Most IMP, most important point. What most important point it is, that story should also have a theme or a moral in it. Yeah, it should have a nice moral that students gets to learn something. In all the things we are getting the moral. Story in a poem, we should have a moral in it. Yes, so we should have a nice moral that by that can someone learn something, learn new things or get innovative. Yes, get new ideas to write. Stories is always written in past tense. The next most important is stories is always written in a past tense form. As I have told that it have to be written in past tense. That I was, I had, I were. This all we can write in the past tense. Past tense form. Yes. So these 2 points are main. Again we should see to it. Story should also have a theme or moral in it. Keep this thing in the mind, students, that you after completing your story writing, you should write a perfect moral to it. Yes, and a nice moral. Story should always be written in a past tense form. Story is always be written in the past tense form only. Yes. So I hope students, you all have understood that what is a story writing, how to write some more in detail. I have explained you that how to write, what to write in the story, in which form, in which tense we should write the story. Always it is written in the past tense form only. Yes. So story, again let's see it. What is the meaning of a story? Story means, students, narrating the real or the imaginary event or an incident when given is known as a story. Yes, so I hope you will watch this video very nicely, and till then meet you next time. Thank you.